What's going on, guys? Welcome to Harper's YouTube channel. And so Harper has us doing a very interesting science experiment. She's like her grandma, her nana, who is a chemist. And so she wanted to create a volcano. Shout out to Adley. And so we have all of our ingredients. You want to show them the ingredients?
First, we have some vinegar in this.
So we got some vinegar.
And then we got some baking soda
Baking soda.
And then we need a
Warm
water and a bowl so we don't make a mess. And to add some color, we're going to use some red food coloring.
And then some soap.
Yeah, this soap to make it explode.
To make it explode. All right. So let's go ahead and put some food coloring in the water. So it'll be red like lava.
Yeah.
Oh, lava.
Lava. It looks like your veins.
Let's put some little more in there. And you want to use warm water. So we'll make that nice and red.
Yeah.
And then go ahead and put some soap in there. Dish soap.
How much shop?
Just go ahead and pour it in. We'll see. This thing about science, you can experiment. All right. That's probably good enough. All right. And then we're going to put our vinegar in there.
All of it?
Not all of it, just a little bit.
Okay.
Put it over it, make sure it's over the top so it don't spill. It's already spilling. Probably good right there. Alright, and then we have to add our baking soda.
And guys, don't worry because science is a messy experiment.
So make sure you have a clean space. So we're doing ours in a bowl. We have a pretty big bowl that we're going to do it in.
Now we need baking soda.
So let's lift it up so they can see it.
We need this baking soda. You need baking soda.
So go ahead and put it in there and see.
All of it?
Start it and see if it starts to make a... Oh, go ahead, pour some more. Go ahead, pour some more. Oh, there it goes.
I'm just going to pour all of it.
All right, pour it all in there. Whoa, it's coming. It's coming. Is it going to come over top?
It's coming. Whoa.
Look at that. A volcano. It's erupting.
Hey, that's real. Oh, it feels cold. Can I touch it? Really?
Go ahead. I don't know. Your finger might fall off.
It's not even hot.
Touch it. Don't just put a finger on it. You don't got to touch it with your whole hand. Go like that.
You just cut. Daddy! I'm just going to put my
No, not the whole hand.
Huh?
Well, you always got to do the most.
I felt like I'm feeling hot, kind of.
And there it is, ladies and gentlemen.
So if you ever want to make this at home, make sure you have dishwasher soap. And if you don't have vinegar, just buy it and then baking soda and food coloring.
And there you have it.
Look,
Science experiment.
it's more of a pink.
Mm-hmm.
Because it feels weird.
Okay.
Like my hands, guys.
And make sure you have towels and stuff, unlike us
Yeah, you don't
right
really
now.
have towels. Can you go get a towel, please?
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
To mine. Well, more to the More family.